Okay, good people. Yeah. Now, yesterday the snow came to about right there. Look how much further it has came to my door. My porch is completely covered from the living room all the way down to my bedroom. I want to go out tomorrow, but as you can see, I'm car number 5. From that red car, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's completely covered. Yeah. Not looking forward to shoveling the snow. Whew. The breeze that's blowing. I just want to go across the street over there to Walmart tomorrow. We'll see. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk. Good afternoon, everybody. Yes, I'm back on your screen. Life be lifing. But I want to come on here and do a video, as you can see, the title. And also I want to talk about this storm that just hit us. I know that there are other cities that has been hit harder. And my prayers go out to everybody. Everybody. I pray that we will get through this, and I know that we will because God got us. But during this storm, we have to be careful when we leave out, especially our seniors. If you have someone, a family member, or even a friend that is of a particular age, check on them, call them. If they can't get out because they're snowed in for whatever reason, and you can, go to them, help them, maybe even go to the store for them, but check on them. It's so unfortunate. I was looking at the news earlier how some people have lost their lives from freezing to death in this weather. I can say it shouldn't have happened, but we don't know the circumstances of why that person had froze to death. It's just really, really unfortunate, and my heart and prayers go out to those families as well. But my message is stay warm, stay in if you don't have to go out. And also, I was looking at the news where it said this weekend coming, we're supposed to get another one. Yeah, another storm. God be with us. But I also wanted to say, living alone, over 60, and maintaining. It's something that I'm doing, and I'm sure that it is something that many other male and female people are doing. When you get to that age where you just feel more comfortable or satisfied with living alone, you adapt to it. You come to realize and find out that it's freeing. It's, you can do what you want to do when you want to do it, okay? But, yeah, you get lonely because you're human, you know. I have been living in my new place almost 2 years now. It will be 2 years in August of this year, 2026. I thank God so much for my place. But sometimes living here alone, it gets lonely. But things that I do to occupy my time, number one, spend more time with God. I'm a crafter. I like to decorate. Those videos are coming too, my decor videos. I enjoy reading a really, really good book too, from time to time. I go shopping because I'm right across the street from a huge shopping plaza. banks, stores, novelty stores, whatever. So in the summertime, because I'm really not a winter person, yeah, me and Mr. Winter, we do not get along at all. So, but I know that's God. I'm not complaining because He controls the weather. All we could do is just accept it. But I'm sitting here by my window and my porch door, videotaping this video for you guys. I showed earlier in the intro how my porch is just so filled with snow. Yesterday I was feeding the birds. Dad came on my porch. I don't even see their little footprints no more because snow has covered it up. But sometimes I sit here and I just be at awe at how quickly weather moves. Whether it's snow, rain, sleet, ice, it just moves so quickly. And sometimes you have to be on top of it. If you out and you know a storm is coming, you need to get to where you're going and stay there, because you don't know the outcome of it. But I'm so grateful to God for peace of mind, food on my table, a roof over my head, and the clothes that I do have to put on my body. Again, I say I wish all of you safety and blessings if you have to go out. So this is my encouraging video for you guys today. I'm gonna come back with some more content. I'm slowly getting back into it. Like I said, life be lifing. I do want to say this before I end this video. I ask for prayers. I have a good friend who was in the hospital with the flu, really bad. She's a little better. I also have a family member who's fighting cancer. Her situation, I'm just gonna say it isn't looking good. I've asked for prayers for her as well. Her name is Rebecca. Please pray for her. And I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You'll see me again in another video. Have a blessed one. Love you guys.